when I first met the C-level people at EXP, I was blown away at the character and the quality of the people at the company. And you know, a corporation or a company without the people is nothing. And when I met our next speaker for the first time, I knew beyond the shadow of a doubt I had made the right decision, because this man stands by his word. He's fair, he has integrity like nobody else I've ever met, and I am super proud to call him my friend. Let's put our hands together and welcome the CEO of EXP Realty, Jason Gessing.
You know, we've built a metaverse community now, 79,000 people around the globe, right? We have agents who know it's their company, who take the responsibility seriously. They can identify the difference between a company that says it's agent-owned and one that really takes that obligation seriously. There isn't a single company out there that I'm aware of that can say that they've built anything in the metaverse where purpose and interest are aligned and where culture is built.
The biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. How many of you believe that one, right? You need to do way more than you're doing. And you are capable of grit. You're capable of bootstrapping it. You're capable of bringing up some fire.
It's such an honor to have this gentleman here today with us, Mr. Glenn Stearns, please.
Overlooking the Pacific Ocean, and I thought, wow, like these beautiful homes and these cars and these beautiful people, and like I want this life. You know, what does it take to get it? And I was really just ready for a change. And why not continue that same youthful attitude of saying yes to life and taking chances, but going out and being willing to fail, right? And when you fight hard, no matter what happens, you feel good about yourself.
How do you grow your audience and, you know, keep them engaged amongst all the noise?
I think you just have to get to the point to where you're okay with that, and just know if you keep showing up consistently, you're gonna attract the right people.
Most of us learned social media because of business. I've learned to treat social media for my next referral, not for my next transaction.
When people are scrolling through their feed, I want to be the one that they stop and look at.
Having the mindset that you're not going onto Instagram or Facebook or wherever the heck you're going to get business.
Try to not get so obsessed with how many followers you have, how many likes you got on certain things, because I have found that just by being authentic to who I am is going to resonate with someone. And if it resonates with someone, then they're going to reach out to me.
Don't be average, do a little more, maybe learn how to do little tweaks.
Find an accountability partner, right? We will always do more for other people than we'll do for ourselves.
It's a powerful mindset. You know, sometimes people self-limit themselves, but you need to, you know, get you in your own head and just go forward.
One thing I would pick up from this event, working on my own business, is truly the social media aspect, because we had this great panel, we had a bunch of different experts of things that are working right now in social media. So I'm super excited to go home and start implementing that stuff just immediately.
Is networking, connecting with other people, because if you want to expand your business, the only way to expand is to connect and to partner. And so partnership is the one thing I took away.